The centre will bring a new national tourism policy before the budget session of Parliament. This was stated by Union Tourism and Culture Minister G. Krishan Reddy. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh will lead the joint Indian ministerial official delegation of the Ministry of Power, New and Renewable Energy and Ministry of Science and Technology on a 5-day visit to USA. Vehicular movement in National Highway 6 along East Jaintia Hills district has once again come to standstill for the third time this month on Monday morning, today following a fresh mudslide at Sonapur Tunnel. Amarnath Sharma became the overall champion of the All Shillong Open Snooker Tournament organized by National People's Youth Front in the city in collaboration with Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association. In an exciting final, Sharma defeated J. Nonkanri. State Health and Family Welfare Minister James Sangma has questioned BJP MLA A.L. Hek for being defensive of the KPC group with whom the government has signed an agreement to construct the Shillong Medical College, but despite all the day, the project could not take off.